So we're making, personally, my favorite thing to make, and that's steak. The method we're using today is called a reverse sear. I'm gonna do one in stainless steel, one in cast iron. I'm gonna see which one's better. And I'm gonna do one with a compound butter and one with a pan sauce. So that's what we're doing today on Hungry with Whit.
Is it Hungry Whit?
I don't know, is it? Hungry Whit? Damn it. In front of me, I have two gorgeous, beautiful bone-in ribeyes. These were actually been sitting in my fridge for 12 hours with salt on either side of them. The salt actually goes into the meat and you season it all the way through. And now the other side. You guys want to see me get sued?
Yes.
Yeah? All right, ready? Bam! We put it in our oven here at low temperature, about 220 degrees. We're gonna insert a probe thermometer into the thickest part of the steak, and it'll tell us the exact moment it reaches 115 degrees, which is what medium rare is and which is what we want. So that's what we're doing here. It's not really a good way to end that. So these will probably be in for 45 minutes to an hour. Cool, now got, cool, now that the steaks are perfectly medium rare in the center, we're gonna put a sear on the outside of them.
Should make mine medium well.
Get the fuck out of here, man. So we're doing stainless steel versus cast iron. We're gonna see what gets the better sear. We'll start with the stainless steel, so we're just putting a little bit of canola oil. Now for cast iron. So do about 2 minutes on each side is all it needs. It's already cooked in the center. We're just getting a crust on the outside. So we're gonna infuse the butter with garlic, rosemary, and thyme. We're gonna do the same over here. These have to rest a little bit. In the meantime, we're gonna make a pan sauce over here. Some shallots and some herbs here, rosemary and thyme again. We're gonna actually add in bourbon. Some chicken stock, pinch of salt. So now we're making the compound butter for the steak that's being cooked in the cast iron skillet. You take a regular butter, then you add all this delicious to it. I don't know if I should curse on the show, but I did. And then juice. We want to put it into kind of a uniform piece so you can just kind of stick it on top of the steak. So we do that by putting it into some plastic wrap. You can't say wrap because you'll get sued. So it's plastic wrap, even though we all know it's just wrap. All right, here we go. And then this goes in the fridge. Beautiful. So this one right here is cast iron. It has the herb butter on top. This one here is stainless steel with the bourbon pan sauce. So we're gonna let the crew decide on what's better. So guys, dig in.
Are we actually eating it?
Okay. So what's the verdict, guys? Stainless steel, cast iron?
I like the stainless steel.
Stainless steel?
Oh, the cast iron.
It's pretty split down the middle.
Dude, I'll be honest with you. I know I said I wanted medium well. Honestly, what I could have used was some A1 steak sauce.
How did you get back in here? Jeez.